Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today, join us sa isang hidden paradise adventure. This time, sa Porac, Pampanga naman. Our goal, the popular Puning Hot Spring and Restaurant. Pero quick heads up, hindi kami pumasok sa mismong hot spring. But we explored the surrounding area and trust me, worth it pa rin. Bago kayo makapunta dito, important reminders lang ha, kailangan ng 4x4 vehicle. May rentals available, pero nagdala kami ng pick-up. Ready for the challenge? Pero guys, ihanda nyo rin ang sarili nyo ha, lubak-lubak ang daan at maburak. As in, shaky ride to the next level. Pero party yan ng fun. Off-road adventure feels like habang binabaybay mo yung Lahar Trail at bundok. Pagdating namin sa area kung nasaan malapit ang Puning Hot Spring, sobrang tahimik, presko at parang nature therapy. Nag-dip kami sa hot spring, ang ganda ng tubig, malinis. Ang ganda ng paligid, perfect for chill, photos, and fresh air. Nag-settle kami for a bit, kwento-kwento at syempre, taking pictures, taking videos. Simpleng adventure, pero solid na bonding. So, kung gusto mo ng quick escape from the city, consider exploring this area around Puning. Walang crowd, walang stress, puro nature. Just don't forget, 4x4 is a must at maghanda sa alog, lubak at maburak na daan. Thank you for watching guys. Kung nagustuhan nyo itong kind of adventures, don't forget to follow, like, comment, and share this video. See you on the next trip. Bye!